Hi children. In this video we'll discuss all the basics about adjectives. Now let's start. Tell me, what is an adjective, children? Adjective are the words that describes noun and pronoun, right? You all know what is noun, right? It is a naming word like person, place, things and ideas. For example, here you can see the describing word. So if it is a Sachin is a good person, or I can see he is a best cricketer. Okay, in the same way for a place, it is Taj Mahal. I can say Taj Mahal is a beautiful place. Taj Mahal is a old building. In the same way for the things like ball, it is a colorful ball. Okay, for idea like dream, scary. So these are ideas. For example, we can see the example, children. Ram is a tall person. Here, tall is a quality that describes Ram, right? So it is an adjective. So adjective gives more information about a noun. This is a small ball. Here, with the help of a small, we get to know the size of a ball. Okay, Shreya has 5 chocolates. So tell me, which is a describing word in this? 5. Very good. Okay. Let's look into the degrees of comparison that adjective has. So you all have studied in your previous class, right? What is an adjective and the degrees of comparison? Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison, right? They are positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, so why do we need degrees of comparison, children? Yes, it is used when we need to compare things. So I'll tell you. First is positive degree. It is used to describe a noun, right? It is used to describe. It is not used to compare anything. So your first degree, that is positive adjective, we are using only to describe the person or a thing. We are not going to compare it. Okay. Next one is comparative degree. So here in the name itself, you know, comparative. In this degree, it is used to compare 2 things. Okay, in comparative degree, we compare 2 things. And the third one is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare more than 2 things. Example, see, Ram is a tall boy. Here, tall is an adjective we are using to describe a boy, a person. We are not going to compare it with any person. So it is a positive degree. Understood? Now let's see the another example. Shyam is taller than Ram. So here, Shyam is taller than Ram. Taller is an adjective, okay? And we are comparing 2 persons. Right, we are comparing here 2 persons. So Shyam and Ram. Here I am telling Shyam is taller than Ram. So Ram, that is Ram's height with Shyam's height. And the third example, Divyesh is tallest among all. Here tallest is an adjective and we are comparing 3 persons' height. So it is called as superlative degree. Understood, children? So first, tall, it is a positive degree we are using to describe. We are not going to compare. And the second degree is here taller. Taller is a comparative degree. So here we are comparing 2 things. And the third one, tallest, is a superlative degree. It is used to compare more than 2 things. So positive degree can be converted to comparative and superlative degree. Now let's see the example, children, by adding ER for comparative and EST for superlative. Okay. So we'll add ER to the comparative degree and EST to the superlative degree. Example, bright, brighter, brightest, cold, colder, coldest, strong, stronger, strongest. Okay, children. Now let's look into another way of changing degree. Here, by adding R for comparative and ST for superlative degree. This is the other way of changing degree. Okay, example, fine, finer, finest. White, whiter, whitest. Here we are just adding a R, and in the superlative we are adding ST. Okay, understood children? See, R and ST at the end of comparative and superlative degree. Okay, there are some adjectives that cannot be converted like this. Okay, these are called irregular adjectives. What we call them as irregular adjectives. So you can see the example here, children. See, good, better, best. So here we are not adding ER or EST or R or ST. That is why we call them as irregular adjectives. Okay, see, bad, worse, worst, little, less and least. So these adjectives, they don't follow any rules we discussed before. Okay, and one more thing, when the adjective is long, that is a word of 2 or more syllable, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degree. So if an adjective is long, for example, you can say useful. So in comparative I use more useful, in superlative most useful. In the same way you can write beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, understood? And the last is, we use adjective to describe the size, shape, color and the appearance of something. So we use adjective to describe the noun. Okay, we put the size or shape first, then the color and then the other qualities. Okay, there is a rule. Okay, first what we do, we'll describe, we put the size. If there is more than 2 or 3 adjectives in the same sentence, what we do, first we have to put the size or shape, then the color and then the other qualities. For example, see, large, white, floppy, cricketer's cap. Here first, large, it is the size, then color, that is white. Okay, then they have floppy cricketer's cap. In the same way, long, thin, green branch. I hope you all understood this video, children. Thank you.